Uy! Oh, okay. Ando nata sila eh.
Okay, Lisa, it's a pizza party time. So now, lahat po, all you need to do is listen to Krisha, to the way Krisha and your host, together with everyone, our pizza master. Yan, sige na lang ang pizza master natin, and I'm confused. I will be the guy of pizza. So before that, I just want to ask, are you ready to become a pizza master?
Ang galing.
Are you
Na?
ready to become